Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Passion. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to soak off your acrylic nails. So right here I have 100% acetone and I'm just pouring it in this little bowl. And these are my nails here. I did them myself. I'm not a professional, so don't grill me you guys, but I'm going to soak those for about 5 minutes. So here's 5 minutes after. And you can already see the gel polish is starting to come off. So I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to start scraping off as much as I can. And it might look like it's hard, but it's not hard. I just sped the video up, but it's coming off fairly easy. But I'm going to soak them again after I get as much off as I can. Alright you guys, so I'm getting off as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and soak my hands again for about 5 minutes. And as you can see right here, one of my nails already came off in the acetone. I popped it off. It was just so soft and flimsy. I just popped it right off. And it was loose prior to me soaking it. So right here you'll see some of my nails are already dissolving. The acrylic is coming off just on its own from just soaking it. So I'm going to go ahead and get as much off again as I can, and then I'm going to go and soak my hands for one last time. I'm showing you guys right here that me just using my finger and just manipulating the nail and moving it around I'm showing you how soft it is from the acetone. It's just very soft and flimsy, but it's still not quite ready yet to just pull it on off. So I'm going to soak it one more time in the acetone. Alright, so this is the last time that I soak it. Pretty much the acrylic has been ticking off for me already with the acetone, but I'm going to use the cuticle pusher and get like the rest of the tip off and everything like that. And again you guys, it does not hurt. I'm not using a lot of pressure. It may look like it because I sped the video up, but that is not the case. They are coming off fairly easy. It's just a matter of soaking them. So right here, I am going in with a nail file, and I am using the buffer side. I'm not filing my nail down. I'm just buffing my nail out and getting the rest of the acrylic off of my nails that I didn't get. And then I'm going to go in and shape my nails with the hard part of the file. So I'm going in with some cuticle oil because the acetone really dried my skin out and dried my nails out. So I'm just fully covering the nail and my skin with the cuticle oil. And then I'm going to rub that in and moisturize it really, really good. And I'm going to go in with a regular clear top coat. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it. That is an easy way to soak off your acrylic and then help your natural nails afterwards by rejuvenating them and moisturizing them. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next upload. And thank you for watching.